Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back na naman sa panibagong video. For today, we're playing Amelia's Cave. Itong story to, binasa ko kanina sa bago mag-start. Gutom daw tayo. Tsaka daw sinubukan daw natin pumunta sa Amelia's Cave. So, tagal pa. Let's start na. Ako nga pala si Gaming with Satoru. Oh, let's go. Okay, so ito tayo. Ha! Ano yung what the frick? Okay. There's a bell on the counter. Ignore. Muna tayo explore around. Poster. Hindi nga daw i-ring nga natin. Let's try. Yo! Ay, wait lang. Sino to? Ayan. Hello there. Welcome to Amelia's Cave. What would you like to order today? Where's everyone? I'm only working here. but if you are talking about the customers, you are the one who just arrived here, so no need to worry about it. It's a free unique cake they are going to serve to all customers. I can do all the things. Now that we got into know each other, please show me your order. Sure thing. That's great. Now feel free to take anything you like first. Dito muna ako. Great choice. I'll be right over to hand you the menu. One moment. Aha! There's a Sibaka. That's great. Now feel free to take a look in our cave menu. Please select your meal that you would like to eat. Gyudon, ramen, omurice, kiripan. Excellent choice. Now please select your dessert that you would like to eat. Magnolia. Very nice. Now finally, please select your favorite beverage. Hot fresh. Excellent choices. Overall, I shall prepare your meal. Please be patient. It will take a while. Feel free to look around the cave or sit here patiently while I make your meal. Thank you. Yo, an e-girl. What ang daming e-girl? What ang daming e-girl? It should take very long to make, I guess. What to do while waiting? Your dishes are ready. Huh? That was quick. Oo nga. Ano yun? Isaluto mo lang burger? Ayun na. Prepare mo lang. Break. Isang prepare mo lang. Thank you for waiting. I hope you enjoy your meal. Did you cook it earlier? What is that you have there? Of course not, silly. You already know I am a pretty fast at what I do. Hence, no other employees here. Now, let's see which one to try first. Corn dog, magnolia, or hot fresh milk. Shut up, I eat whatever I want. Here you go. When an item is and I click on the correct item on your thing. There you go. Would you like to hear instruction again? No thanks. Alam ko na kung may nag-appear daw yun. Kung may nag-appear daw po dito kung ay natin. Damn! Sarap ng kain. Sarap ng kain. Ah. mali pa. Yan, isa pa. Isa pa. Mama. What? Ayan, sarap. Ilang percent na ba ako? 14. Corn dog. Ay! Patil. Dessert. Corn dog. Dessert. Fresh milk. Dessert. Oy. Bilis naman. Oh, you're eating normally. You're just like other. I meant. Shut up. Actually, I have a little reward for you. If you impress me. Well, now it's time for you to bring a service. Got some along with you, right? You can take more money to her for this. Alright, thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you once again. Come back anytime, right? Well, those are really good. I should come back when I have munchies. It's really a shame there's nobody around this. I think I will recommend this place to my friends. I guess it's fun. Let's go. Wait, the door won't. Wait, what? Why won't it work? I should get a. What is her name again? Oh, it's Amelia pala. The door won't. Oh, okay. Ang weird doon. Di nag-open. Hi! What is it? Help me. What? The door won't budge? I know what to do. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Okay. I hope it doesn't take too long. Wait, what is going on? What? Oh, ano nangyayari? This is bad. I should try to see the stuff room. Sure, bro. May poster. What the heck? Ano to? What? Knock? The door is locked. Oh, she locked from inside. Maybe I should try to knock gently. You be knock the door. Okay. No one responds. But nothing responds. Maybe I should explore around if I can find a solution. A list of foods. Okay. Ano to? A poster. Ayun nga eh. Ano ba ha? Ito, yung mga ganyan. A poster. Anong that mark? Oh, Fluffy, this poster looks right. Tear it off. What the You've been turned up. Question that question mark. Show the secret passage. What is this room? Wait, what? Okay, ewan ko kung bakit ginanong ko yun, pero am I supposed to be here or I'm gonna die? Ano, dun ba ako or dito? Minay, mani mo. Pahit ang kabayo, kamukha mo. Okay, dito muna tayo. Ayaw. Wait, what's on the floor in front of the door? It looks like wood. Oh yeah, you are gonna die, bro, if you open this. Oh, shh. As I opened the door, I took a few steps inside the room and then stopped dead in my tracks. Holy sh! This is just cool. How could she do something awful like this? Well, this is sight of for sore eyes. I can definitely say I know why Amelia was the only person here now. I need to get out of the restaurant. And again, who knows what true. I now know what my fate was just by looking at this. This is unexpected. I should have been seen this first. Did they just eat a human meat? Wait, let's think about it this later. Just focus. Yeah, how to get out of here. Lock yung pinto doon, so hindi tayo makakaano. Ano ba? Wait, a locker. The cabinet is locked with a locker. I need a key for that. Ano to? Wait, ano to? What the heck? Is that an iron bar? It looks like it could be used. You've been earned it. Iron bar. Ano? Ano ba natin to? Locker. Cabinet is I need key. A key? Ano naman to? Ano gagawin? A small key. Oh! Pinipress ko lang yan eh. Bigla akong na ano. You've been earned a small key. Phew, that was close. Okay. So ito yung papanggamit natin dito. A locker. Maybe this small key could try it. Yup. The cabinet got locked. Okay, what's in there? Pang spray. There's a cleaning spray. Take it. Now, what to do? I-sprayan natin to. Wait lang, i-close lang muna natin yung door. Yan. Okay, ano to? The furnace. Ano, yan, ano? Ano gagawin natin? Ito? Ito ba? What is this? A half of white. But looking closer, it's what? For dishes? Seriously use this? I don't know. Ito, a white food. But looking closer, what type of sugar is this? Tuntun. Wait, i-sprayan mo. I-sprayan mo, di ba? Yan ba yun? Wait, ano tong bed naman? Actually, looks like the lens were sent. It looks like we have only to get out of here. Is to get in that chute. Although I don't get to get this out. I don't think I can get in it. Since there's no plot. Oh, ito. I think i-move ito. Use a cleaning spray. Ayun nga yung sinasabi ko eh. I-use mo nga yan eh. Naano ka ba? Water, sugar. Yes, I can finally move this thing up. Okay. It's done. Okay. I-move ko na din. Move it. Sabi ni. Yup, now I can get in that cube. Inside the cube looks dark. Wait, I heard footsteps. I need to add. Bro, that was the most freaking stupid hiding spot. Pag hindi ka na nakita. Ang galing, boy. Ang galing mo talaga, putek na yan. Ang galing. Ew, she's gone. That was close. Ang galing, hindi ka pa talaga nakita mo. Ang galing. Oh, what is she doing here anyway? Jump na tayo. Jump. Okay. Hanapin na naman tayo. Ano? Dito? Blood? Hindi dilaan natin, ano? Oh, wait. Ano to? Fern. Do we need something for the furnace? So that, looking for this. What can I do for here? Should I like... Ayun. So, for sure, apoy yan. So, pwede tayong sunugin dito. Tsaka, maano doon. Okay, may idea ako. Iano ko tong box. Ano ko na yung box? Bawal. Wala na gagawin ko. Ain't no way, bro. What? Yeah, it's so dark. Paano ko dyan makakapunta? Is it like... I don't think na ganyan lang yung kadali. Baka may trap siya dyan. Kasi alam, kaya siya punta dito kanina eh. Alam ko yan. May trap dyan. Wait, speaking of trap, wait lang. Speaking of trap guys, wait lang. Speaking of trap, wala na tayo magagawa. Ano gagawin natin? Ah, wait. Ito ba? Ito ba? Kunin natin. Aapuyan natin. Ano? Gagawin. I'm so confused, bro. So confused. Ano gagawin? Wait lang, guys. Popots ko muna kung nahanap ko na yung ano. Doon kaya. Saan? The heck? Ano to? There's much on the floor. Ay, nako! Ay, nako! Ayun lang pala hahanapin, boy. Hi. Did she drop this axe? Oh, that's right. I think that cute. I could use that light. You've been earned. Oh, yeah, ano natin? Let's. Yes, now I can finally get it. Oh my God. Katangak ko. Ayun lang pala. Ay, nako. Wait. What? Yeah, I can go. Kailan guys, ano ko talaga kay. Hey, just 1 second. Ayaw magano. Ayaw talaga magano. Oh. Aba. Ito ba? Okay. Oh my God! Press mo lang pala yun. Let's see where that leads. Ano leads at ba? Oh yun! Si ano? That's her. And she has a knife. What is she? Knock her down. It's for defending myself. Yup. I'm sorry. Oh, yup. Huh? Hala! Iron Man! Iron Man! And she didn't influence at all. That's why it was so loud. It's like she is made of... Ay! Robot siya! Very well. Nice try. Okay, i-blur ko yung username ko dyan kasi ayaw ko na may friend sa akin. Baka i-add friend nyo. Kaya i-blur ko yung username ko dyan. And who, me? Oh, shit. You used your wit and found my secret entrance, thus avoiding a death. The toxic feels very clever. You're evil. I admire your unique surviving skills. The same can't be said for the rest of the people who step foot in this cave. You follow the inner voice in your head telling you that something was off about this cave. It screams truth. You didn't find the entrance and fall unconscious the toxic gas, then you would be in a fine and willing donor for my dishes. What? Instead of Mount I could be slice your head off when you hit me with that iron bar. But since I'm nice, let's play hide and seek. And I will count 60 seconds. Just one slice like the last time I give you time. laro natin. Anong what you mean? Well, you don't know what I mean because I am not talking to you. I am talking to me. Ako, nagtotok. Tinotok ako sa kanya. Person who is controlling you. You're not a you're just a vocal who's once the light is down, the feeling do not matter. The player always plays it back. But of course, you don't stop living forever. There's no other place beside that. You should blame the creator of this game since he disguised us like this. Not my fault. I'm just learning this game is bridge of the globe. Enough talk. How about we play a little hide and seek? Instruction from earlier. I'm gonna change the time you have from 60 seconds to 30 seconds. So confusing, but no need to think. I have to hide. Yeah. We will run. San. Wait, magbabalik tayo doon kung saan tayo nagtago kanina. Blah 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 blah. Please. Wait, what? Hindi dyan. Pangit dyan. Oh my god. Saan tayo magtatago? Oh shit. 6, 7. Oh shit. Oh. Yo. Ayun. Yes. Oh my god. Doon na lang tayo magtago. Baka kasi makita. Napalingon ako bigla. Takot yun. I don't know if this is a great idea, but phew, she's gone now. I need to find a way out here. Now I gotta inspect things with the stuff from fastest photo. Oo nga, let's go. Pupunta na lang tayo dito para shortcut. Oh my god, bro. What the Sigma? Okay, let's go now. Okay, let's go, bro. Yo. Okay. We need to inspect something there, bro. May metal naman tayo eh. Okay. She's not even here. Where did she go? Wait, what? Ano yun? The heck is that? Button. The heck? Okay, hindi ko rin na ano yun. Baka may mangyari. Ano ba to? Ano to? Yun na. Oh! Hopefully the lever made the door activate, please. Oh, shit. We need to run. Ayoko na. Hindi na maglalaro ng ganito. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nilaro ko. Please. Hurry up. Yun! Yes, if I don't open, then let's get out of it before she kills me. Once you have reached to your home, you cannot stop thinking about this. You're tired of all the cops on that tape, but it seems the cop didn't do anything about it. Or maybe she's right. This just virtual. You didn't really believe the words she said that much. She's probably crazy who tried to do it. It doesn't matter. You didn't survive from that cave, and you will never go in there ever again. Oh my god, bro. Kakatakot yung 3, 2, 1 eh. Bigla akong napangalingon. Sabi ko, ala naman yung parang question mark na nasa box na yun ah. Doon ako nagtago eh. Talino ka talaga no. Pero kung na-enjoy nyo naman to video na to, make sure to like and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell. I will see you guys to the next one. Bye! Oh my god. Kakatakot.